The Arborland Borders bookstore here on Washtenaw Avenue will soon be closing its doors after almost 12 years in business. It's one of the nearly 200 Borders stores slated for closure, all casualties of the company's bankruptcy protection filing today. Andrea Toder is disappointed by the news. She loves shopping at the Arborland store more than the flagship store on U of M's campus. It's a lot more convenient for her.
Ann Arbor parking is awful. And, being a student and living off campus, this is one of the few locations in Ann Arbor, at least, that you can go and find a decent parking spot.
The other Michigan border stores that are closing are in Utica, Dearborn, and Grosse Pointe. The Ann Arbor-based company says in light of the difficult economy and the rapidly changing retailing environment for books and related products, restructuring is essential for the long term. A company spokesman tells Action News for now it's business as usual at Borders. That means gift cards are still being honored, the rewards programs remain in effect, and the website is still operating. Derek Lanier visits the Arborland Borders once a week.
I can always find what I'm looking for here, so it's not good. Not good for our economy, not good for the community, none of it.
Borders says the store closures will take place over the next few weeks. Employees at the Arborland store told us off camera that they haven't been given a timetable as to when their doors will shut for good. They estimate about 25 to 30 people work here. Lanier feels for them. He was laid off after 7 years in the auto industry.
I know what it's like to lose your job in this economy or whatever. I just didn't think it was this bad.
In Ann Arbor, Anu Prakash, Channel 7 Action News.